Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to enable and disable auto updates on EA app. Managing automatic game updates on the EA app is crucial, especially if you're using mods or have limited bandwidth. So I'm going to walk you through step-by-step processes and how to do that. First, you need to double click the EA app icon on your desktop or find it in your start menu to open it. So once you do that, in the top left corner of the AA app, click on the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. And from the drop down menu, go ahead and select settings. Within the settings menu, click on the application tab located in the left sidebar, or at the top sidebar rather, top bar. So within the applications window, scroll down to where you have should be able to find that the update section. All right, so in here, just head over to where you find application updates, and here application updates, you have this toggle. All right, so to disable auto updates, go ahead and toggle the switch off, and that's going to turn gray. This will prevent games from updating automatically. To enable auto updates, just toggle the switch on, and this will allow games to update automatically when updates are available. Disabling automatic updates means you need to manually update your games to access new features or fixes. Now, even when auto updates disabled, even with auto updates disabled, rather, the EA app may prompt updates when launching games online. So to prevent this, consider launching the EA app in offline mode. How do you do that? Click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, click on go offline, and that's it. So with auto updates turned off, you need to manually check for and install updates to keep your games current. Disabling auto updates is beneficial for players using mods, as updates can sometimes break mod functionality. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.